Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through 3 helpful iPhone tips. The first one is you can copy your emails and send it in your messages. To do so, open your photos and select a particular photo that you want to copy and simply press 2 times in the middle of your screen. Then there you will see an option of copy and then hit on the copy. Now go through your messages and simply paste that image over here and hit on the arrow button to send it. The other one is go through the settings and hit on the general, then go through the keyboard. Now you can create a shortcut for your text. Hit on the text replacement and click on the plus icon which is on the top and write the phrase and shortcut and hit on the save. Now, whenever you go through your messages and type the shortcut, your phrase will be appeared. The last is you can actually see your password of your Wi-Fi. Simply go through the Wi-Fi settings, and if you click on the password option, then you need to have your Face ID locked and you can view your Wi-Fi password. So these were the 3 few tips. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.